For this project you will need an embroidery card pattern that you can find it in resource section, markers and pencils, and paper material for your card. So let's get started! Because I want to make really bulky roses, I'm using 6 strength thread. Keep the pattern close so you can check out if you have any doubts. To decorate initial V, we will use woven wheel stitch. In case you have forgot how to make it, you can check out my previous lesson where I share step by step how we can create a beautiful roses from thread. Be careful that threads don't get tangled. Just take it easy, take your time, and this is the best way that prevents that your thread will get tangled. As you can see, I am moving my paper base a lot. This is really helping me to make my roses more beautiful and more bulky, and they look more perfect that way. Don't worry if you miss a hole, you can punch a hole with a needle wherever you need it. I do this often because sometimes I just can't predict in advance where I will need to finish off my thread. Ta-da! One of our beautiful roses is finished. We have finished all of the roses that were on our design. To make stems of flowers, use the stem stitch and the green thread. To create the stems, I used 3 strands of thread. I wanted to share with you more ideas how to make your card even more unique. You can apply this technique to any letter of your choice, and if you wish to put this type of embroidery card into a picture frame, I would suggest that you either remove the glass because the roses are too bulky, or instead of using 12 strands, you use only 6 strands when you create the roses. Happy creating! And I will see you in the next lesson.